Guys, today I will be explaining you how you'll be able to integrate your web app with Pi network. First of all, what you need to know is that I hope you all know about the basic coding. Okay, and yeah, let me start these sessions. First of all, what you need to do is that you can just go out here in Google and just serve it GitHub. Okay, and when you click out here in GitHub, then next what you need to do is that you can just go out here and just search Vercel. Okay, this is important. And the next one, what you need to do is that you need to save your data of your user, so you need to serve out here Superbase. Okay, after serving the Superbase, what you need to do is that you just need to click out here and you can just register if you are new, but if you already have, you can just log in it, okay, with your email. And if you want to, you can just prefer with GitHub because it will directly integrate. And now let's go to GitHub and let's try to log in. This is the main thing, okay, and you can just scroll it down and you can just log in with Google. And you can just click out here and you can just click out here in continue. Then what you need to do is that you need to provide your username as well as your country. Okay, and you can just click out here in create account. Then your account will be successfully created out here in GitHub. This is the main thing. You need to push everything your project file out here in GitHub. Okay, and now next is that you can just keep this like this only. And if you want to create, you can just create out here. Okay, but just now just leave it like this, and you can just go to Vercel. And from Vercel, what you need to do is that you can just create. If you're new user, you can just click out here, and yeah, if you are new, you can say new. If you are pro, you can just click out here in pro and enter your name. Okay, what your project name will be, and you can just click out here. Okay, you can just continue with GitHub. And when you register with GitHub, you need to provide access. Okay, as I have already linked my Vercel with GitHub, and it is saying that my account is already linked. So just for demo, let me log in. Okay, continue with Google. I will continue with Google. You need to know everything. Okay, this is the main thing where you will be able to launch your applications. If you have your own domain, that is well and good. If you don't have, you can just go to this Vercel. It's very good. They will provide you domain absolutely free. This is the things. Okay, and now next thing what you need to do is that in the link description, I will provide you link in my descriptions so that you can download that app. That is the most important thing. Okay, everything you will be coding from there only. And now let me just open, okay, here new page, and you can just serve it out here ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT is must because you need to generate your prompt, how your application will be designed. And I have already designed my prompt. You can just click in the link and then you can just copy and just paste. Okay, but you need to change your app name. That is absolutely fine, which you will be able to do with ease. And after copying that prompt, you can just paste out here. For now, let me just show you some guide. Okay, I want to build web app which integrate with Pi network. Okay, I'm just showing you how the skeleton of the web app will be. Okay, using GitHub and Vercel. Don't forget to enter Vercel as well as GitHub here. Okay, because you need to generate the absolutely correct prompt so that you will be getting appropriate prompt. And if you have any details regarding the product, you can just enter your product, okay, how much one product will be. And if you want to use API key, you can just go and surf Coinbase, and you will get absolute free API key from there, where you will be able to reflect your life by token. Now from here, see, okay, ChatGPT will provide you prompt absolutely free. See, framework, what is the framework? Okay, Next or React, but we have to use React. But don't worry, in my prompt that is already mentioned, okay. This is very important, and you have to know the auth or payment should be always with Pi Network Web SDK. And see here, this is the complete project structure, how your project structure should be, okay. Here it is saying that mall, because I have kept my project app name mall, that's why. And your mall should be out here in GitHub, okay. And under mall there should be public, and under public there should be favicon icon, logo, png, pi logo, whatever if you have, okay, you can just upload it out here, and you will be able to know everything. And this will be generated by the AI. Well, you try to quote, okay, no need to worry about this one. And what you need to do is that you have to know everything about this one. Now let me explain you, okay. See here, there is API, okay. API, you should know that the Vercel will not accept more than 12 functions, so we have to bypass this API method. But don't worry, this method is also already mentioned in my prompt, where you will be getting from the link, and you can just paste that prompt, okay, completely same prompt. But what you need to do is that you can just change the name of your applications, and if you want to add, you can add your product details, like one product should be reflected how much Pi, okay, like that. It should be real-time conversion rate, and it will be so easy for you to do all those things. All those are the documents, and from here you will be able to see like this, okay. And you have to copy such prompt, okay. Don't just copy my prompt and paste out there in AI, okay. You need to first come and paste out here in ChatGPT, and you have to instruct ChatGPT, my app name is this and I will be dealing with this, so modify this prompt. And you can just paste my prompt and you can modify it. Now from the link you can just click out there, and you will be redirected out here, okay. This is the main AI app. This is absolutely free. You will be able to get a token every week, okay. It will get refresh when you go and download this AI app. Then you will be able to get more token, so you will be have more time to spend with this AI. And now after coding, what you need to do is that everyone is saying that how to validate your validation key txt. Let me show you, okay. When you open that AI, this should be your structure. Actually I have here already coded, but in your case it will be very fresh, so that you can just accept everything, and you will be able to see here, okay. Right, you can just keep that one agent only and light, and you can just click out there in arrow green button, and they will try to make your web app according to that, okay. If you have any issue or any problem, please do let me know in my comment sections. And after coding everything, no need to worry about how you will be able to integrate with payment or with authentication. I have already mentioned everything in my prompt in detail, you can just copy that prompt and paste at all, okay, at once out there. And now let me explain you about the validation key txt, how you will be able to do. Okay, from here, when you finish coding, you can just say that I want to push to GitHub, and make sure that you need to provide your GitHub detail here, so that it will be easy for you to go there. And now from here, let me just click out here in my this one, and let me show you, this is my application. Okay, I have everything out here. This will be my project structure, and what you need to do is that you can just scroll it down, then you will be able to see here in root file. Okay, you will be able to see here public, this one. And when you click out here in public, what you need to do is that inside this public only, you have to enter your validation key txt. Okay, and when you enter, they will say that you have to paste your code, or there is some letter. Okay, you have to paste and save it. And to know that whether your code has been successfully pasted or there or not, let me explain you how we'll be able to see. And see here, there is my app link. Let me just right click and copy this one also, so that I will be able to show you. And let me copy and paste out here, okay, in new tab. Okay, just a minute. Okay, let me do out here only. Let me just replace this with this one, and you can just write validation. Okay, validation hyphen key dot txt. When you do like this, then you will be able to see like this. This will be your validation key txt, which means it's showing out here, which means that it has been successfully placed out here in your root dictionary. Okay, so that you will be able to go in your py and you can verify your step 10. That is the way